Hi, I'm Amanda Davis, joining you from ThinkUp Studios. Right now, we're in our last section of ThinkUp Math, and in these next few learning modules, we'll be covering things found in the extension section. Just as some students need further instruction following assessment, others need a chance to apply their knowledge in a different way. The extension section in the Teacher Edition gives students the opportunity to relate, explore, and extend the learning of the unit in a new context. The Teacher Edition provides an extending student thinking activity for students who have mastered the TEKS and are in need of additional challenge. This activity often involves conducting research or creating an original product. The home connection, once located in the Student Edition, has made the move to the Teacher Edition. This allows teachers to decide how you want to share the activities with the students and their families. Some suggestions might be a class website or a class newsletter. These activities are fun and easy to complete, allowing students to demonstrate what they have learned at school and bring their families into the learning. In the Student Edition, under Extension, you will find a math challenge. In this unit, it says Cecil has this list of fractions, and it provides a list of a variety of fractions. He needs to place the fractions in the Venn diagram. Help Cecil by writing the fractions from the list in the correct area of the diagram. Students are able to complete this challenge and really show off what they've learned in this unit. Both the Teacher and the Student Editions provide an opportunity to reflect on the unit content. Students are asked to think about what they have learned and how they utilize critical thinking during the unit. We have also provided prompts to reflect on the unit activities. By completing the teacher reflection piece, you are better able to identify what activities provide the best instruction for your students and which activities may need tweaking to be more successful in the future.